Hello, viewers. Good morning. So today we are going to be work on. It's like that's a one of interview question. So we have the measures like sales, profit, and quantity. So as user, go for select the sales, profit, and quantity from the slicer. Accordingly, my visualization should change. The measure should be changed in the visualization. Maybe a dimension would be a constant, but I want to change my measure value. Okay, how to implement this in Power BI? So let's don't waste our time. Let's go for check this out. So if I want to be create a slicer on measure names, so what we do, we have an option. We can go with model, and we have the new parameter option. So if we click on new parameter, we have the two options here, numeric range and field. Okay, if someone cannot able to find this field, so you can go with the file. If you want to be enable that option, file, options and settings and options. All right, go for the option and you can go for report settings, preview on features. So click on preview on features and the bottom of it, you can find visual calculations, summary with Copilot, write DAX query Copilot, autograde mobile layout, less bottom sys, button slicer visualizations, new card visualizations, and button slicer, visual calculations, field parameter. The option you can find it, you need to be enable this field parameters, then you can able to see the options over there. Okay, try to be click on enable and click open. So then you can able to see this a new parameter option. So try to be click on this a new parameter field. I can click on the and type is field I selected and the parameter name I can make it as measure underscore p. Okay, measure parameter. So I can select those measures from the list from the right side. Just go with the orders. So orders is my database data source. So what is the measures I want to be selected? My first measure is sales, and my second measure is profit, and my third measure is quantity. Okay, these are the three measures I want to be in the parameters list. So just click on create. So when you click on create, you can see the slicer by default, the slicer has been created and there is a logic implemented for the slicer measure P equal to sales name of order sales and profit name of order profit quantity name of order quantity and these 0 1 2 is their index kind of thing, the order of the sales profit and quantity, the index is 0 1 2. Okay, so let's close it, the formula, and click on here. And this is the slicer which we have it, sales, profit, quantity. So what is our requirement? When I select the sales, let me take a one graph. So I'm selecting clustered column chart. Right, let me take the custom column chart. And I want to get, let me show you, what is my subcategories. Take this subcategory into x-axis and suppose or take a sales here. For timing, I'm taking the sales. So I have taken as a sales now. So when I select the sales from the slicer, I want to show the sales in the bar chart. When I select the profit, I want to dynamically get the profit into here. Profit, each subcategory wise profit. When I select the quantity values in the bar, I want to do it dynamically. The slicer selection option we are providing to the end user. End user, whatever the option he selected, he can able to uh, see that measure in the visualization. So how can we implement that? In so far y-axis, we are showing that sales only. It's a static value, but I want to make it as dynamic. For that, what I'm doing is a simple calculation I'm writing here. create new measure. Okay. And I'm going to create it total underscore sales. Okay. Let's create a total underscore sales. That's I do that sum of sales. Okay. Order sum of sales. Right. Enter. And second, one more measure I can create a new measure. For that, I can give it, name it as total underscore profit. Okay. And make it as sum of profit. So orders profit. Right. So one more measure. We have the three, right? We can go for create one more measure. That can be total quantity. Total underscore quantity. Okay, right? So that would be sum is the aggregation, and we can go for select the measure. Right. I have created three measures. These three measures, I want to be call it as when you create this field parameter, it's created a parameter here, separate table, and we get that parameter calculation here. Okay, there is a separate table created for that. So whereas you have the P sales, okay. So, oh, sorry, not this one, you can go forward. So whereas you have the measure P, where we have the sales, I want to remove the sales. I want to be remove the sales over here. I want to select the measure total sales. Select the total sales and go for selected. Remove the profit and select the total profit and replace with the quantity to total quantity. That's all. Simple. So what are the sales, profit, quantity we have it where we just replaced with them with a total sales, total profit and total quantity. Right? Let's save it and close this calculation. Now, now, now you need to do the simple step. Wherever you use that sum of sales in y-axis, remove it. Okay. Go with the measure P. Uh, the measure P column, you can drag it into y-axis. You can drag into the y-axis. Okay. So let's see that. So how it is going to be work. Now I selected quantity. I can see my quantity values by each and every subcategory. Let me go for select the profit. So here I have the profit. So subcategory copiers profit, and here I have a loss. So the loss is minus 753. And if I select the sales, and you can see subcategory wise sales. And pop-up also we are showing that subcategories and the sales value. Okay. So this is the way we can go for dynamically change the measures based on slices selection. If you like this video, please subscribe and follow my channel. I can go for add more number of interview questions and scenarios to be help further. Everyone is working on the industry. Thank you. See you with the next video.